Osana Jumayina. Yeah, wa de no nina. Dia dancing. Say, oh, be unsettable. You deserve the praise. Great Jehovah. Oh, be unsettable. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Flicking Fingers bringing to you piano tutorials on YouTube. My name is Kingsley, and it's been a while I posted on this channel. But hi guys, I've brought you new stuff. Great Jehovah, the breakdown. So Mettle has this song called Great Jehovah from the Kadosh album, and it was recorded in the key of G sharp. Okay, but I'll do it in the key of F. So if you are here, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'll play the intro for you so that you know the intro. So this is how the intro goes. Like, I'll play the real song.
Hey everybody, let me see you dance. Yeah. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Hey.
So this is how the intro goes. Like, we are doing it in the key of F. Okay. So basically, the left hand is playing. I'm playing a B flat major seventh. B flat major seventh. So I'm playing B flat, F, and then A. That is the 4 chord, okay, but it's a 7th. And then the second chord is the 3 chord, and this is how we are also playing that one. It's a F at 9. F at 9. So I'm playing A, F, and then G. So you repeat again, then you repeat again. They play it for 4 times, and then on the left I'm playing. That is A and C goes together. Then the G. So again. So A and C goes together, and then the G. So you alternate those notes. It's actually like this, but they've added a C to the A to make it a major 7th. Okay, so you play it for 2 times. Then you play the other one, which is, so that one too, the C and F goes together, accompanied by the A. You alternate those notes. So again, so combining the two, it goes like, then yeah. So now you combine the left and the right. It goes this way. That's the intro. Okay. Then now they move to the verse. I have never seen a God like you. I have never seen a God like you. Did this and no one else can do. You did this and no one else can do. So that one also goes like this. I have never seen a God like you. I have never seen a God like you. So we are still maintaining the chords we learned on the left. You do that. You see the left. I taught you this and I taught you this. Now the right is playing C, D, F, and A. And then that too, this chord goes with the right hand. So that's the 4 chord, but it's a 7th. Okay. And then you come to this chord. You come to A. On the right, A, C, F. A, C, F. That's the 1 chord. A, C, F. So you play this way. Then together again. So it goes, I have never seen a God like you. I have never seen a God like you. You do the things that no one else can. You do the things that no one else can do. Then they play some. So is C, B flat, A, G, F, A to the F. So C, B flat, A, G, F, A, G, F, F. So okay, so that one also goes with it. So I'm playing it slowly. Then you can also play it when you are playing the third chord. Okay, the third chord. So let's combine everything. I have never seen a God like you. I have never seen a God like you. Do the things that no one else can. You do the things that no one else can. There's nothing that's impossible for. Okay, so that's that part. Then they move to Osana Jumanina. Yeah, wow, wow, what they do, you know, they're dancing. Hi guys, if you found value in the tutorial I've given you, I'll kindly urge you to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and also I'd like to hear from you in the comment section. Also guys, if you're on this channel, I have another YouTube channel called the NSMQ Review Show, and we talk about the National Science and Maths quiz. So if you enjoy that content too, I'll please urge you to hit that subscribe button. I'll place the link in the description down below this video for you to subscribe through that link. Thank you. Let's continue with the video. I don't know the words over there, but let's use that. So to the four chord. So on the right I'm playing B flat, C, D, and F. Okay. And then on the right I'm playing B flat, D, and F. Okay. So then you play a passing chord to the sixth chord. So you play this passing chord. So the passing chord is the sixth chord to the 5. So the sixth goes like this. On the right I'm playing A, D, and then F. On the left I'm playing D, A, D to the 5 chord. That is, on the left I'm playing C, G, C, and then on the right I'm playing G, C, D, G. That is a C sus2. Okay, so it goes this way. Oh no 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 no. Da, da, da. Okay, then it goes to the that is, it goes to the 6. We've learned the 6 already. They are dancing. They are dancing. Then you move to the 7 chord. Okay, so that is the 5/7 chord. 5/7 chord. 5/7. Okay, so on the right I'm playing C, D, E, and then G. And then on the left I'm playing E, C, E. Or you can play E, C, D. Anyway, or E, C, E. Okay. So let's take that passage again. Yeah, wow, 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 they do, you know, they are dancing. That's all. Then, oh, be unselable, oh, be unselable. You deserve the praise, great Jehovah. Oh, be unselable, oh, be unselable. You deserve my praise. Or you can, so that part, the chorus goes this way. Oh, be unselable. So that is, on the right I'm playing F, B flat, and D. You can play those. Then back to the 1 chord. So on the left I'm playing F, C, and F. And then on the right I'm playing F, G, A, right. On the right is G, C, E. Okay. So to the 4 to the 1. To the 5. You deserve the praise. Then they play some passing chords there. Great Jehovah. That is great. On the left is only D, and then on the right is it's accompanied by C, F, A. Then you move to the 5 chord. On the left is C, on the right is C, on the right C, E, G. Then the third chord of the passing chords, you move to B flat. That's the B flat. And then on the right is A, D, F. Then the last chord from the passing chords, you go to the E and you play on the right. On the left is E, on the right G, C, E. So it sounds like this. Great Jehovah. Okay, I'm playing it again. Great Jehovah. Then back to to the 1. Only deserve my praise. To the 1. To the 4. You can play this, the 3 to the. You can play a passing chord. That's the 3 leading to the 4. Okay, so I'm playing the whole chorus again. You deserve the praise. Great Jehovah. I will never let no rock. It's like chorus. Let no rock take my praise. I will never let no rock, cause only you deserve. I will never let no rock take my praise. Only you deserve my praise. Okay, so that's the whole song. So I'm taking it from the beginning to the end. So I have never seen a God like. I have never seen a God like. You do the things that no one else can. You do the things that no one else can. There's nothing in this world too hard for. Nothing is possible. Nothing. Osana Jumayina. Yeah, wow. Dia dancing. Say, oh, be unsearchable. You deserve the praise. Great Jehovah. Oh, be unsearchable. You deserve my praise. Okay, so if you found value from this tutorial, kindly hit the subscribe button and like button. Okay, and also share. Thank you.